Do you have avocados at home? Then you have to try this delicious and easy salad. For this recipe, we're going to need 1 avocado. Cut it in half, remove the pit, and cut the avocado like this. Tell me if you've ever made avocado salad at home. I'd love to know. Take 1 cucumber, divide it into 2, and then into 2 more. Then cut it in slices, like this. We're also going to need 1 green bell pepper, cut in half, then into thin slices, and finally cut into little dice. Now cut 2 tomatoes, cut them into slices, then dice those slices like this. Add the avocado into a bowl. You guys, this recipe is easy to make and it's incredibly delicious. Make it at home, I'm sure you'll love it. Also, add the cucumber, the bell pepper, tomatoes, 1 cup of corn, and chives to taste. In a blender, add 100 milliliters of milk, 200 milliliters of oil, and blend. Then squeeze 1 lime, add 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of honey, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and blend again. Finally, add 2 garlic cloves and blend 1 last time. Pour the dressing we just prepared on our salad and toss. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Dixie Rogers from Greenfield, Ohio. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. And our salad is ready. Look how delicious it is. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.